Struggling with diabetes? Take 5 minutes to move, breathe, and begin healing from within. This is yoga for diabetes. Start your practice in Sukhasana, the easy pose. Sit tall, spine aligned, shoulders relaxed. Inhale deeply through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. This breath calms your mind, reduces stress, and brings balance to your blood sugar. Hold this peaceful space within for a few more breaths. Now, slowly twist into Ardha Matsyendrasana, the half-spinal twist. Place your right hand behind you, left arm on your right knee. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, gently twist from your waist. This pose massages the pancreas and kidneys, boosting insulin function and digestion. Stay here, breathing deeply. And switch sides halfway through. Next, come to all fours for cat-cow pose. Inhale, arch your back, lift your head and tailbone. This is cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck the chin. That's cat pose. Move slowly with your breath. Feel the spine gently massaging your digestive organs, helping your body release tension and restore energy. Next, lie flat on your back, arms relaxed, feet gently falling out. This is Shavasana, the final rest. Let go of effort, let go of thought. Breathe and just be. Your body is healing, your mind is calm. With regular practice, you can manage diabetes, not just with medicine, but with mindful movement and breath. Namaste. If this short yoga session brought you a moment of peace, or made you feel a little lighter inside, then please like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more simple tools to heal your body and calm your mind. Your one click could be someone else's first step toward healing. Let's spread wellness together.